Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Jenny. If this is your first time in this channel, thank you for stopping by, and also thank you to all my old subscribers. This channel is all about drafting, sewing, DIYs and styles. In today's video, I want to share with you guys some beautiful, classic, sophisticated and vintage dresses and outfits from the guests at Vicky James' wedding ceremony, so that you guys can study them carefully and try by recreating any of these designs. Also make your choice and lay your comments on the comment section below. Please do well to click on the subscribe button below, like, share, so that YouTube can recommend this video to more viewers that may also want to learn and recreate any of these styles. Also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So relax and enjoy. The first outfit we are going to be looking at is this one Vicky James is putting on. This dress is actually the last dress she wore after all the wedding ceremony she had. The dress has a classic 3D flower applique that looks so adorable. It also has dazzling all around this dress. I love this dress. What about you? This dress is also giving because it has a lot of details and craft at the cup area. You can see the bust cup area. It's looking so beautiful. Take a look at this put together dress Hidabasi is putting on. It's looking so gorgeous. This dress is well crafted, from the sleeve detailing to the drape. I love the touch of chantilly lace. I also love the hemline styling and a little touch of beads. This is the bride. I love the design underneath the bust. You can see that design underneath the bust is so beautiful, as it is well crafted and well detailed and structured. I love this dress. This outfit, you can see that it actually sits on Tukura's body so well, especially the overbust corset aspect. And I also love the gold bodies that light up her face. I love the intentionality and thoughtfulness of this dress. The side detailing is a masterpiece. I love how this fabric was cut, how it was placed on the upper bodice, and also the structure on it. Wow. For this dress, I love how the cape on one side aligns with the drape on the cupped bustier. This dress can be rocked in two ways, with or without the wrapper. This is nice. I love the structured detailing of this dress, from the slit area to the mermaid skirt, and of course, she carried it well on her body. Wow, men can also be stylish, you know. I love the designs and the details on the cap. This is how Eniola rocked it to Vicky James' wedding. Wow, this is beautiful. All the dresses and outfits in this video are top notch and classic. So loves, go ahead and make your choice, then analyze the styles very well and give it a try by recreating them. And I know it will come out well. But most of these materials you see right here in this video are being created by the designers themselves. So if you are making any of these styles, if you are recreating any of this style, you might not see the exact material or fabric, but you can use any fabric of your choice to recreate the styles, but make sure the fabric you are using is a little bit similar to what we have right here in this video. Then watch to the end to see even more an interesting, beautiful, vintage and luxurious styles at the end of this video. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Please, we need your support, guys. Thank you. Enjoy.